In this video, we will show you how to track your expenses and keep your budget on track. We will cover different methods for tracking expenses, including using apps, spreadsheets, and other tools. We will also provide tips for categorizing expenses and identifying areas where you may be overspending. With our expert advice, you'll be able to develop a better understanding of your spending habits and make informed decisions about your budget. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to get a better handle on their finances and start making progress toward their financial goals. Join us for this informative video and start tracking your expenses today. Different methods for tracking expenses. Expense tracking apps. There are many apps available for smartphones that can help you track your expenses. These apps typically allow you to input your expenses manually or link to your bank account to automatically track your spending. Some popular expense tracking apps include Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital. Budget spreadsheets. Another way to track your expenses is to use a budget spreadsheet. This can be as simple as a basic spreadsheet with columns for different types of expenses and the amount spent, or you can use a more complex spreadsheet that automatically calculates your budget and expenses. Some popular budget spreadsheet templates include Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. Envelopes. Another method for tracking expenses is to use the envelope system. This involves dividing your cash into different envelopes for different categories of expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. By physically separating your cash, you can get a better idea of how much you're spending on each category. Receipts. Keeping receipts for all of your purchases is another way to track your expenses. This can be helpful if you need to return an item or if you want to compare prices at different stores. You can keep your receipts organized by category or by date. Bank and credit card statements. Finally, you can track your expenses by reviewing your bank and credit card statements. This can give you an overview of your spending and help you identify areas where you may be overspending. You can also use this information to reconcile your budget spreadsheet or expense tracking app.